Hello everyone, we are back with our series of Nifty 50 share analysis. And so far we have seen multiple shares, and today's market was quite down thanks to thanks to the yesterday's budget, I guess. There were a few points which really didn't went according to the investor point of view, and that's why we have seen the downfall yesterday and today also. It was a decent downfall here. Nifty 65, Bank Nifty 461, and so on. But we are going to continue seeing our Nifty 50 share analysis. So far we have seen a lot of shares, and last we have seen Hindustan Unilever, which went down 1.78%. That's kind of unexpected, I guess. So now we are going to see LNT, Larsen and Toubro. Okay, right now price was here is 3519.45, which is 18.60 down today. Okay, and this is a little bit of analysis here, which is already provided by the app itself. 49% people, 94% people are buying here. It's just giving you a little bit of perspective of there, but in the end, it's all about you to buy. And I don't remember if I said or not, but uh, mm, in my case, I usually do swing trading, right? So I am these type of fundamental really don't impact swing trading in my sense, because swing trading is all about like waiting for one day or 1 week or 1 month or maybe few months. If you are going for an investing point of view, then you have to go through a little bit of deeper analysis. But in the end, if you are trading in if you're a naive trader, if you are a trader who have just started investing and you don't want to gain that instant profit or something, you just want to invest for a long term, then usually if you buy a share which is already doing good, which is a trustable share in a company, then usually it goes up in my general experience. Because I have seen the share which I did swing trading like a year before, like in 2023, and now up well, more than the time which I have, more than the price at which I have sold them. So as a long-term investor, you can expect to get a little bit gain, but on the same point of view, sometimes it don't go the way it should be. Like last year, I invested in PNB for swing trading. Yes, I got profit in that, like 20%, almost in a single trade. But if you see right now and a year back, the price of the share is almost the same. So the long-term investor not always work the same, but uh, in probable most of the cases, like uh, 6 or 7 out of 10 is usually go up. Okay, now we'll look into our share, which are LNT, Larsen and Toubro. This is a revenue which is quite high, profit and net worth. If you look at here, it is going quite well. This is a little bit of information. Now we are going to look at its map, as we always do with the shares. Okay. First, we are going to go in the months, because a long-term perspective is always helpful in getting into a trade. First of all, you can see it is almost at its top. Okay, so one thing is clear: share is doing good, and company is doing good. We're going to change it into line, and by doing that, what we find? We find our first resistance. Yep, is it quite a little bit down? Oh, there's resistance, and now we will look into it. Okay. Okay. If you consider one more thing, as you can see, it is at the same level. I don't suggest you to consider this kind of line which are at the same level as a support or resistance, because it is already on that level, so it doesn't make much of a sense. Okay, we will go. If we have to put a support, we might consider this one as a support. Okay, a little bit, and we are going to zoom it a little to get a little bit more idea. Okay, we can go like this. Okay, now we're going to go in the week, and as it is the top, so this is usual understanding. Let's see. Okay, okay, it seems promising. By the way, this is quite a promising this line, but it has broken this line, so we are not going to consider it as an entry point right now, but we are going to make it here as a point where multiple high points are acting in general. But if entry point of view, if you ask me, I say maybe this one. This one could be from the multiple point interaction. Like on this line, you can see multiple points are touching here, like this one almost, and it is almost here, and it was also close. Okay, so we are going to call it a multiple point of interaction. So that could be a really good entry, but right now share is going down a little, so we're gonna go in the months, and right now in month it look like in chaos. It looked like a chaos in month first of all, so we are going to change it into candles. Here it is. Ooh, see, impact of yesterday. Here fall from it open at here 3668, went up here, went down up to here, and came back up to here. That's a lot of almost within 2000. It'll like how much? 4000, 5%, almost 10-20% up down, right? Yes, almost 10. Okay, this is the chart and candle. Let's get a little bit of idea here. Okay, what is my thought about entering here? Right now, if you ask me to take an entry here, I would say no, first of all. You know why? Because yesterday, this here has fallen quite a bit, and today also it has shown the chances of falling. It might go up, but if I have to take an entry here, I will go either for the which one 3674.08, which was at the purple line, this one, or or if I have to go, I will take this one because this is in month. It is really good and good option to take in. Okay, from month point of view. Okay, so if I have to set up 2 point as alert here, I will go for the 3674 and the other with 3775 or 72 basically. But if you ask me to take an entry, I'll say I will go for the above one, the blue line, because that seems much more appropriate. But on the other hand, like if you are going for like future point of view, then and you are expecting it to fall, then I'll say the 347 4.53 could be a line which you can consider. Like if it come below that and the share make it stay down there, it could be a chance you can take an entry for the future as you are expecting it gonna fall more. Okay, with this our today's share analysis of the LNT is finished, and thank you for watching. And I'm gonna make these kind of videos further, and if you want me to analyze any particular share, you can just write in the comments. It would be much more helpful for me to go for the particular. Other than that, I am already making the videos of the Nifty 50 shares. Then I will go to the Nifty Bank and small Nifty, and then next Nifty, next Nifty, Fin Nifty as well, and that's it. Thank you for watching.